Facts of Parrots. Exceptional mimicry skills. Parrots are renowned for their ability to mimic human speech and a wide range of sounds from their environment. They can accurately replicate words, phrases, and even complex sounds like ringing phones or laughter. Intelligent birds. Parrots are highly intelligent creatures possessing problem-solving abilities, social cognition, and even a sense of self-awareness. They can learn tricks, solve puzzles, and demonstrate remarkable cognitive flexibility. Diverse species. There are over 393 species of parrots found across the globe, ranging from the tiny budgerigar to the majestic macaws. Each species has its own unique characteristics, behaviors, and habitat preferences. Vibrant plumage. Parrots are known for their stunningly colorful plumage, which serves various purposes including camouflage, mate attraction, and species recognition. Their vivid hues range from brilliant blues and greens to vibrant reds, yellows, and oranges. Social creatures. Parrots are highly social birds that often form strong bonds with their mates and flock members. They engage in a variety of social behaviors, including grooming, playing, and even engaging in duets with their mates. Long lifespan. Many species of parrots have remarkably long lifespans, with some individuals living for several decades or even over a century in captivity. Proper care and enrichment are essential for ensuring the health and well-being of these long-lived birds. Specialized feet. Parrots have zygodactyl feet, meaning they have 2 toes pointing forward and 2 toes pointing backward. This unique foot structure provides them with a strong grip and exceptional dexterity, enabling them to manipulate objects and climb with ease. Seed dispersers. Parrots play a crucial role in seed dispersal and ecosystem health. By consuming fruits and seeds and then dispersing them over wide areas through their droppings, parrots help to regenerate forests and maintain plant diversity. Nesting behavior. Parrots exhibit a variety of nesting behaviors, with some species nesting in tree hollows, cliff crevices, or burrows dug into earthen banks. They construct nests from twigs, leaves, and other materials, often exhibiting remarkable architectural skills. Conservation concerns. Many species of parrots are threatened by habitat loss, poaching for the pet trade, and other human activities. Conservation efforts, including habitat protection, captive breeding programs, and regulation of the wildlife trade, are essential for ensuring the survival of these charismatic birds.